Today is feeling like a Disney day.
'Twas a long time ago, longer now than it seems, in a place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams. For the story that you are about to be told took place in the holiday worlds of old.
Had to drop something off at the post office really quick, but I'm like super hungry, and so I gotta get something for breakfast. Hey, I know you.
Hey. Do you want a muffin?
No.
Okay, so I can get you one.
Which one did you get?
Pumpkin?
Are there vegetables in this?
Yes.
When you said breakfast, I thought like pancakes, bacon, eggs.
This is like rabbit food.
We are here at Disneyland, and what's really amazing, I'm super excited for, is it's Halloween time. So the whole parks, both sides, California and Disneyland, are set up for Halloween. So we're gonna go through and show you some of the best places to take photos here while you're at Disneyland. Let's go. Now that we're all set, I got the Polaroid 1/600 with me because it's the easiest, most packable camera that I could fit in my bag for just being out and about. So we're good to go. Okay, since it's Halloween time here at Disneyland, they've got a bunch of cool things that they don't usually have up around, throughout the rest of the year. This thing right here is from Sleepy Hollow. It's the Headless Horseman, and apparently it does some really cool things at night.
Let's curse his headless horseman, he's the worst.
But it's a really cool shot, and I'm glad that I got it because it's only going to be up here for another 2 weeks.
In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
So another cool spot to get a photo at Disney is this guy right here. It's a big old Mickey Mouse pumpkin, and there's usually a line, but if you flip over to the other side, the line's usually a lot shorter, and you can usually get a really good photo of the Mickey Mouse pumpkin. Clam chowder bowl. Just had a bread bowl. That thing is destroyed. Super full now. The sun is going down, so it's important to know that when the sun is going down that you need to get your last shots because, your Polaroid works best when there's light.
Should we go?
What's the next move?
Should we go do our cutting line thing?
Should we cut in line at Disneyland?
Come on. Come on.
Disclaimer, we never cut in line at Disneyland.
You want to make a move?
So this is gonna be my last shot that I try to get tonight. I'm gonna try to catch the train coming down the tracks. I'm gonna try to follow my camera along with the train. If you couldn't hear that, I'm gonna try to follow the camera along with the train so that way I got cool motion blur in the background, but the train was actually in focus. So I'm gonna put this away and enjoy the rest of the Disneyland day with my boo.
That's right, it's me, Boogie Woogie, and I'm here to welcome you to a fright